Here's the AirPods 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. Okay, first thing I want to mention, these AirPods 4, if you turn on the back here, there's no button back here. Okay, if you see all the other previous AirPods, if you turn it over on the back, you see this button here. Okay, well, there's no button on the back of the new AirPods 4. It's basically an invisible button on the front right here. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and connect to the iPhone here. So first, make sure that the buds are in there and the lid's closed and there's no light on here. Wait till there's no light on here. Then we want to go ahead and lift it up. If you get this on here, you can go ahead and connect that way, okay? Also, if you don't get that window, what you can do is you can double tap, and then when it's blinking white like this, it's in pairing mode. So we can connect like that, or we can connect down here. Or if this doesn't show up, I mean, you can always just go to settings here, go to Bluetooth, and then it's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue here, okay? So we're just going to wait till the AirPods show up here. There it is right there. Let's tap on that. And voila, you can see we're connected. Now, if you had issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset this. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.